Can't take them nowhere. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. And today we're going to be doing something real quick and fast. So we're going to be doing 1 hour ribs, guys. I said it correctly. 1 hour ribs. Oh, man, it's going to be so good, guys. We're going to be basting it with some beautiful sauces that I just got from a special buddy of mine. And he's from the Real Show Barbecue. Salute to my guy, Scott Bailey. Guys, make sure you check out his channel, which is going to be right here or right here. I'm sorry. I think it's right here. But check out his channel, guys. He got some great videos. He got some sauces. Oh, man, that's out this world. Make sure you check him out, guys. So if you like barbecue and you like grilling, this is your channel right here. Smash that subscribe button right now and tell all your friends and family about us Smoking Jazz Barbecue. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how to do these 1 hour ribs, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, so today we're going to use some beautiful St. Louis style ribs, and I'm just going to remove the flap and the membrane, as you can see right there by the video. Man, it's going to be some good 1 hour ribs, guys, I promise you that. And I'm going to use some yellow mustard as my binder and use my barbecue rib rub for my seasoning for my ribs. Oh man, this is going to be so good. So we're going to smear that yellow mustard on it and then coat them with my barbecue rib rub. And as always, guys, you can use your favorite barbecue rubs, but be sure to coat both sides nice and heavily. And always pat your rubs down, guys. Never rub your rubs in. I'm just going to remove the cover from my pit balls and get it started. Man, oh man. And we're going to crank this baby up, guys. And as you can see, my actual temperature is 35 degrees. Today's wood flavor, we're going to be using some cherry, apple, and maple. And oh man, this color is going to be beautiful on those ribs. We're going to crank this baby up to 450 degrees. All right, guys, while we're waiting for the pit balls to hit 450 degrees, and it's a little chilly out here right now, we're going to talk about the step process that we're going to do to make this 1 hour rib video. So basically what we're going to do for the first 15 minutes after we put it on the ribs on the pit balls, we're going to sear them up for about 15 minutes or so, and then we're going to wrap them up in aluminum foil and then let them tenderize for about half an hour. Once we tenderize for about half an hour, we're going to take them out the aluminum foil and re-sear them with some sauce that's made by Scott Bailey from the Real Show Barbecue. Man, I'm telling you guys, this is going to be some good ribs, guys. So it's going to be 1 hour, and I promise you it's going to be nice and tender. We might not get that smoke ring, but it's going to be real tender. It's going to be perfect for those who are in, in a busy life where they just need to come on and want some ribs. 1 hour, guys. 1 hour in the pit balls or any other grill. But I prefer the pit balls because it's simple to use, guys. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, baby. You see the smoke? Time for some smoke flavor. Yes, sir. All right, guys. So what I basically did is that I took 2 racks and I split the ribs in half just so it can cook nice and evenly and fast in particular order. So as you can see, we're at a 460, so it's time to put these ribs on. Man, take a look at that, guys. It looks good right now. We haven't cooked it yet. All right. It's been about 15 minutes. Let's take a look and see what they look like. All right, so it's time to wrap these babies up in some heavy duty aluminum foil. All right, guys, so we're going to treat these ribs just like we do our 3-2-1 ribs, but we're basically going to condense this down to 1 hour. So I'm going to add some liquid butter at this point and then some apple cider vinegar. And I always do the back side of the ribs first before I flip them over and repeat it on the other side. Now, guys, you can add your brown sugar, your agave, your honey at this point if you like, but I wouldn't recommend it. And the reason for that is because if we're cooking it at 450 degrees, that sugar and that honey and agave is going to burn your ribs, guys. I promise you that. So make sure that if you are going to do that, just watch your temps and watch your ribs. At this point, we're going to wrap these babies up nice and tightly. And the reason why, because we want to make sure it steams up real good and tenderize them. And this is going to be some good ribs, guys. I promise you that. Oh, man. Next, we're going to take our ribs back on the pit and we're going to close the lid and let the pit balls do its magic. Wow. This is going to be some great ribs, guys. Now, guys, comment down below. Let me know if you ever done 1 hour ribs and how did you do it. Comment down below, guys. All right, guys, I don't know if you can see that, but we're at 400 degrees. Let's take a look at our babies. All right, let's take a look, guys. I'm opening it just as you are watching it. Oh yeah. Ooh. Now be careful when you open these pouches up, guys, because they are full of steam. Now take a look at that, guys. Wow. You see the bones? All right, let's do the probe test. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow, I hit the bone there. Wow. They are nice and tender, guys. Oh yeah, these are done. I'm gonna check on the other ones, and then we're gonna sauce them up, put it right back on the grill, and we're gonna finish them off within the last 15 minutes, all right? All right, guys, so it's time to sauce these babies up. So we're gonna use two kinds. One is gonna be the sweet Memphis, and the other one is going to be the Eastern Carolina. Now again, these sauces are made by Scott Bailey's from the Real Shore Barbecue. Make sure you check out his channel. Make sure you go support this guy. This guy is phenomenal in making sauces, and he's phenomenal in making some great videos. So we're going to salt these babies up, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and then we're going to put it back on the grill for 15 more minutes, and it should be done. All right, guys, so we're gonna sauce these babies up. We're gonna use the Eastern Carolina first, and I'm gonna sauce these ones up with that. It's more like a vinegar-based sauce. And yes, I sauce the bones too. You can see the spices on these guys. Wow. These are gonna be good. All right, so I'm gonna rinse this brush out, and we'll be right back when we're gonna do the other sauce with the sweet Memphis. All right, nice clean brush. We're gonna do the other ribs with the sweet Memphis sauce, barbecue sauce, and look at that. Woo! Stir it up a little bit. Now you do have the option to mix both of these sauces together, from what I was told by Scott. And he said they are just as good if you mix them together. But I want to try them separately to see what, you know, the sauce can do with just some ribs alone by itself. Man, they are looking good. All right, guys, we're gonna let this go for 15 minutes. We'll see you right back in a little bit. All right, guys, so it's been 15 minutes, and we're maintaining about a little under 420, 425, which is not too bad. And as you can see, these ribs are done, baby. Let me get you a little closer look. Oh yeah. You see the caramelization has taken effect, and they are ready to go. All right, guys, let's take a look at these ribs, see what they look like inside with these sauces. Oh man, can't wait to try it. This is the best part of the entire video. 1 hour ribs, man. Take a look at these guys. We're gonna do the Eastern Carolina sauce first. Let's take a look. Let's cut down the middle. Look at that, guys. 1 hour ribs, look at that. And that's a little tiny smoke ring, as you can see. Look at that. 1 hour ribs, guys. 1 hour ribs. Who said it can't be done? All right, let's cut through. Oops. Look at these bad boys. 1 hour ribs. All right, guys, we're gonna try the ribs. We're gonna try these, you know, with the Memphis sweet Memphis, excuse me, sauce. Take Take a look at that, guys. Wow. Amazing. Look at that color. The sauce has definitely caramelized, gave it a nice mahogany red color. And these are 1 hour ribs, man. These are good. Look at that. Nice bite through. These are good. Oh man. Alright guys, so we're gonna try the other one. The Eastern Carolina sauce. Man. Take a look at that, guys. Ooh, baby. Uh-oh. Man. Clean bite through. That sauce. Oh man, that's phenomenal. I like the Eastern Carolina sauce. I gotta dip in some more. You can taste the vinegary, the spices. Very good sauce. The sweet Memphis. Oh man. Has a nice sweet taste to it. Savory. Very good sauce. Perfect blends. Perfect combination for any ribs, not just ribs, but anything from any kind of meat, poultry, beef, briskets. I mean, if you just want to dip it in sandwiches, that's that good. So big salute to Scott Bailey. These sauces are phenomenal, man. Great job on these sauces, guys. I told you we can do these 1 hour ribs. If I can do them, so can you. Make sure you smash that subscribe button right now. Share this video with all your family and friends. Until we meet again, guys, this is Smoking Jazz Barbecue.